How to successfully apply for a work permit, step-by-step guide. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a work permit. Step number 1. Determine eligibility. Check the eligibility criteria for obtaining a work permit in the country where you intend to work. Requirements may vary depending on factors such as nationality, the type of work you intend to do, and the duration of your stay. Step number 2. Gather required documents. Collect all the necessary documents required for the application process. Common documents may include passport or other identification documents, proof of employment offer or contract from a company or employer in the destination country, proof of qualifications or relevant educational certificates, any additional documents specified by the immigration authorities of the destination country. Step number 3. Research application process. Research the specific application process for obtaining a work permit in the country where you plan to work. This may involve visiting the official website of the country's immigration department or contacting the nearest consulate or embassy for guidance. Step number 4. Fill out application forms. Obtain and fill out the required application forms accurately and completely. Make sure to provide truthful information and double-check all entries before submission to avoid delays or rejection. Step number 5. Pay application fees. Check the applicable fees for processing the work permit application and ensure that you have the necessary funds to cover them. Payment methods and fee amounts may vary depending on the country and the type of work permit being applied for. Step number 6. Submit application. Submit your completed application forms along with all required documents and payment of fees through the designated channels specified by the immigration authorities. This may include a personal submission at the consulate or embassy, mailing the documents to a specified address, or submitting online through an electronic system. Step number 7. Attend biometrics appointment if required. Some countries may require applicants to attend biometrics appointment to provide fingerprints, photographs, or other biometric data as part of the application process. Make sure to schedule and attend any required appointments as instructed. Step number 8. Await processing. After submitting your application, wait for the immigration authorities to process it. Processing times may vary depending on factors such as the volume of applications, the complexity of your case, and any additional security checks that may be required. Step number 9. Receive decision. And before you receive a decision, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Once again, step number 9. Receive decision. Once your application has been processed, you will receive a decision on whether your work permit application has been approved or denied. If approved, you may be issued a work permit or a letter of approval allowing you to work legally in the country. Step number 10. Comply with additional requirements if applicable. Depending on the country and the specific conditions of your work permit, you may need to fulfill additional requirements such as obtaining medical insurance, registering with local authorities, or undergoing additional screenings upon arrival in the destination country. Step number 11. Start work. Once you have received your work permit and any necessary approvals, you can begin working legally in the country according to the terms and conditions outlined in your work permit. It is important to note that the process and requirements for obtaining a work permit may vary significantly from one country to another, so it is essential to carefully follow the specific instructions provided by the immigration authorities of the country where you intend to work. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. Remember, no matter what challenges you may face, always believe in yourself and your abilities. Keep spreading kindness, chasing your dreams, and never forget that you are capable of achieving amazing things. Let me share a quotation to you by Josiah Martin. The magic in new beginnings is truly the most powerful of them all. And that's it. Until next time, stay inspired, stay positive, and keep shining brightly. You've got this.